How's it going, everyone? This is a quick run through on how to add authentication to a Python app running in Azure App Service. I think it's really, a lot of the articles out here really walk you through how to set up the application, like the registered app, getting that, configured. And the quick start walks through, pretty nice on how to set up the app locally. But it doesn't finish that up. So I just thought it'd be great to walk through how to do this in Azure with the application with Python. So I'm using Python 3.11. So after you have your web app here, after you set up the application using this guide, it will add a few variables to your environment variables, this provider, as well as this allowed tenants. You need to add a few more though, client ID and tenant ID. So here we go. So you need to add the GUID and then the app secret. Those are provided. You need to add client ID and tenant ID. This is just the app GUID and then the tenant ID again. I didn't want to reuse it because this you may have multiple GUIDs in this. All right. So you have your app here, app service. I'm running POV3. And then you have your registered app. So after you set that up, you have to come in here. You have to do a few things. One is you have to add a redirect URI. So in your application, you're going to have a route for get a token. So in your app.py, you have this redirect. So I've reduced some of that down here. So you have a login, and then you have the get a token. So first you're going to select login. It's going to send it over there. It's going to then send it back to your application, for you to then collect the token. And then there's a log out route as well. And then on the index one, I have one here for keys to clear because I am saving some things in my session. I didn't want to clear everything out whenever I come back to the home page after working through a pipeline. All right, so this is the application. We walk through at the beginning, log in, brings it up. So that's the first one. So that's selecting the login. And then that's routing you. It's using the application itself. It's going to come here. You're going to select your account essentially, and then it's routing you back to get a token using this. And then get a token is going to collect it. You can have the session, and now you're ready to go and start using it. You do need a few things here. You need an MSAL and the MSAL confidential client application, and then the session here for a flash session to really kind of save this to maintain that. That's all you need. There you go. Requirements, MSAL 131, flash session 8.0, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, if you're going through it and you're having any issues troubleshooting what's going on, make sure to all App Insights. You can see what's going on here for the logins to troubleshoot, specifically the call stack. Really use this. All the information's in there. If you have anything in here, you're not sure what's going on, make sure to use troubleshooting this, print the results out here. And then also in the base HTML, here's the nav bar. Here's the if loop for logging in and logging out, and then providing the username up in the right corner. All right. If you have anything, just shoot me a message in the comments or hit me up on LinkedIn or anything like that. I'd love to talk through and help you out.